This is a timeless reading that was meant to find you today, right here. Me and you, I'm gonna read your energy, and I'm gonna tell you some things that you didn't even know you needed to hear, but they're gonna resonate, it's gonna pack a punch, and it might just change the trajectory of what path you're gonna go down to get what you're wanting. Because the universe has heard what you want. Okay, look at that. I just split the deck, and we have the Fool right there. This is making me feel like there is this new beginning that you want to have, and it's uncharted territory. This is something that you're not familiar with, and you're wanting to know, is it the right decision? Is now the time to take that step and to go down this path? Is it going to go good? Because you're scared. You know, like, I don't want to stumble. I don't want to fall. I want it to all work out. Then we have the Eight of Pentacles here, and I think you're really weighing this decision very, very strong. Like, this is not something little. This is a huge life choice you're doing, okay? And then on the back of the deck here, we have the Devil, and so it makes me feel like there's something or someone from the past you might need to cut out of your life in order to take this new journey. And so I feel like that's why it's so significant, because it's not to be taken lightly. This is a huge decision that you have to make, so you're wanting some help from the universe. So hello, here's your free reading. Okay, now as I was shuffling, the Fool jumped out again, and so I feel like we're not quite done reading the energy of this card. The rainbow sticking out to me, I feel like there's so many different guardian angels around you. The rainbow sticking out to me so strong, and I have this happen in readings a lot, and it just is, it's a sign, it's my sign, that every single color of the rainbow, it's like a different type of energy that's protecting you. That's not the case every single time, but when I'm seeing this right now, that's what I'm feeling. I'm feeling you have all this protection, and I think that the universe is giving you this confidence that yes, this is what you should do. This is going to be good for you. You should do this. But it's so scary for you because you're the one that's living in this physical reality. You're the one that has to take that step. No one's going to come with you, except they are going to come with you. You can't, you know. Sometimes it feels like you're alone, when you have to remember you do have your guardian of angels all around you all the time. But yes, you're the one living this physical life, so you're the one that has to make these leaps and bounds. All they can do is give you confirmation that you're on the right track, right? I feel like for some of you, this might not be all of you, but for some of you, I am feeling the energy of a pet that has crossed over to the other side, and they want to let you know that they are okay, they made it, their energy is still with you. All animals have energy, which means that they have a spirit, which means that their spirit does live on, and you will see them again one day. I just felt so called to tell you that. I think some of you guys are worried, and yeah, you will see them again, and they are with you very much. So they just want to pop in and say hello. Okay, we have another card here. We have the Four of Cups. I'm hearing divine opportunity. I feel like there's a divine opportunity coming into your life. It hasn't come in yet. So this is gonna be like a surprise. And boy, I feel like it's gonna be it's gonna feel so perfect. It's like, wow, the timing of that, and it's gonna be something that you really want. It's just gonna be this perfect alignment that's going to be happening for you. So I don't feel like you have to wait that much longer until all these things kind of fall into place for you. I feel like the big theme is just to wait a little bit longer. We have the Seven of Cups here, and it makes me feel like this one opportunity that's coming is going to lead to so many other opportunities that are going to be so emotionally fulfilling. You're going to wake up with purpose. You're going to wake up with excitement for the day. You're going to have this life force energy running through you, and it's going to feel good. You know, whenever we have this life force energy running through us, we don't even age. You know, like when you work for 4 hours, but it feels like only 15 minutes because you love what you're doing, that's how it's gonna feel. And when you're in that flow state, you actually really don't age. So maybe the key to the fountain of youth is happiness, right? Anyways, I feel like this was meant to find you for a reason, so let me know if it resonates. Make sure to follow me if you're not. And if you like this tarot deck that I used today, I made it myself, and it is available in the TikTok shop, but when they're all sold out, I'm not gonna be getting any more. So if this interests you, if you wanna get your deck before they're gone, go to TikTok shop and get your deck. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in my next video.